Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple St. Patrick's Day nail art design, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. Next up, I'm going in with this glittery green for my thumbnail. Next up, I'm using white as a base color for the rest of my nails. And now for a second coat. And now to start the design. So to begin on my ring fingernail, I'm taking that same green glittery polish and a dotting tool, and I'm starting with 2 dots as you can see right here, and then I'm just going to drag it into kind of like a heart shape, and I'm going to do 3 of these and I'm going to connect them together. As you can see, I did the connecting them part as like a final step at the end because I actually changed what I was going to do. Originally, I was not going to connect them, but then I decided that it definitely looked better connected. As the final step for the clover, I'm taking a detail brush and I'm just going to go in with a line that's a little bit thicker at the bottom and it gets skinnier as it goes up to the top. Now, going in with this glittery gold, I'm starting my middle fingernail, and I did a speed run through this one just for the gold stripes because I took a very long time to perfect these lines. I wanted them to be completely perfect, so that's why I kind of sped through this one. And now to finish off the design, I'm just adding a clover in the middle of the stripes. I'm doing that by putting 2 dots in each corner and then bringing them in like little hearts and then I'm just bringing them in like little hearts just like I did for the other nail and making them meet in the middle. And finally, to finish off the design, I'm just going in with a quick dry top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks, bye!